Here we are unboxing the Sigenergy 6 kilowatt system. This is the Sigenergy inverter, and this is the 8 kilowatt battery, and this is the gateway box which connects the grid power and the inverter so that you have seamless backup. Check out our gateway, which allows us to connect the grid backup, inverter, and the communication. We open it up for you. So here we go. Here's the schematic. You've got your grid going through, and you've got your backup coming out, or 63 amps, and then you've got the inverter. So all in all, very quick to install. Takes about 15 to 20 minutes to put everything together. You just take off your inverter, you place it onto the battery. If you need 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6 batteries, it's up to you. And the system is then connected through the gateway into your house. It's expandable, so the inverter, which is this one, sits on the battery and then connects to the gateway. We can put up to 6 batteries like this, and we can also change this inverter from 5 kilowatt all the way up to 25 kilowatt 3-phase using the same battery. Can't wait to install this. Talk to us about